Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the equivalent fraction. What we learned in the previous class? Anybody remember? I hope everyone else remember that. So what we learned? Some fraction and types of fraction. What is the definition of fraction? Yeah, part of whole or set of collection. A part of collection is called the whole numbers. So part of whole is called the fractions. Okay, right. And then types of fractions. So what are the types we have? Like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, and then proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. There are 6 types of fractions we have learned, is it? So first one is like fraction. Like fraction means the denominator, is it? The fraction having the denominator is same. Denominator is same, it's called the like fraction. And then unlike fraction means having the denominator is different values, is it? Having the different denominators is called the unlike fractions. Unit fraction means the numerator. A fraction having the numerator is 1, then it is called the unit fraction. And fourth one of that, proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, numerator is smaller than its denominator is called the proper fraction. Improper fraction means fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Greater than its denominator is called the improper fraction. Mixed fraction means whole number with proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. And also we have learned the comparison of conversion of mixed fraction, is it? Mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction also. I hope you all understood the previous concept. Okay, now moving to the next one of the concept. What we said? What I said? Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay, so what is mean by equivalent fraction? Let us see one of the example. Okay, Ram gave one of the person Ram gave 4 cakes of his same size, okay, of a same size to his 4 children. 4 children. Okay, same size. Have considered this like, okay. So same size of cake. Okay. Same size of cake. Okay, it's not differ. So same size we have considered. Right. Okay. So Ram gave 4 cakes of the same size to his children. Okay, the first child cut his cake. Okay, cut his cake in 2 equal parts or halves. Okay, or halves. Okay, and send another one of the child cut the cake into 4 equal parts. Okay, and third child divide in 6 parts. Okay, wait, 6 parts, and fourth child divide the cake in 8 equal parts. Okay, so first child cut the halves Second child cut in the 4 equal parts, and then third child cut in the 3 equal parts. Okay, so 3 equal parts. Okay, here 4, here 3 equal parts of the halves. Okay, totally 6 pieces. Here 8 equal parts. Okay, each of the 4 halves. 4 halves. Now the first child ate the half. Ate the half of the cake. The second child ate the 2 part of 4 pieces out of 4 pieces, and third child ate 3 part out of 6 pieces out of 6 pieces, and fourth child ate 4 pieces 8 out of 8 pieces out of 8 pieces. So how can you write in the fraction 1 by the whole? How many shaded parts? Shaded part is 1. So total part is 2. So how many parts ate the child? First child ate 1 part, and second child eat 2 part out of how many parts? 4. Okay, and then third child ate how many parts? Ate 3. Okay, so out of how many parts? 6. Okay, here 4 parts ate the fourth child. Okay, so out of how many parts? 8 parts. See the ratio. So 1 by 2. We have simplified this also half. This also meaning is half. This also the same one. Is it? All the numbers represent the same value as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. These fractions are called the equivalent fractions. This type of fractions is called the equivalent fractions. Okay, so 2 or more. So 2 or more fractions represent the same value. Is it? This also represent the 1 by 2. This also represent the 1 by 2. This also represent the 1 by 2. Is it? It simplify what we get? 1 by 2. Simplify what we get? 1 by 2. Simplify. So 2 or more fractions represent the same value or same part of the whole are called the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. I hope you are understood that concept. Okay. So what is the definition? If 2 or more. 2 or more fractions. 2 or more fractions represented the same value. Represented the same value. Or part is called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. This same values or part is called the equivalent fractions. Okay, so how can you check the given two fractions are equivalent or not? You have used the cross multiplication. We do the cross multiplication method. Okay, so how can you do that? To check the fraction are equivalent we do the cross multiplication. Okay, we do the cross multiplication. If AD is equal to BC, then the fraction A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, if AD is not equal to BC, then A by B is not equal to C by D. So, it's not an equivalent fraction. So, how can you check the given fractions are equivalent? We do the cross multiplication. Okay, we do the cross multiplication. Okay, and next one of the concept, simplest form of the fraction. Simplest form of the fraction means the highest common factor other than 1. So, do not having no common factor other than 1. ஒன்றை தவிர வேறு எந்த காமன் ஃபேக்டருமே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் எவ்வளோ ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னதுமா சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? ஸோ சிம்பிளஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் சொல்லலாம், இல்லைன்னா lowest form. Okay, lowest form. So lowest form means it just numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1. Any common factor other than 1 is called the So, the next one of the concept, simplest form. Simplest form or lowest form or reduced form. Lowest form or reduced form. Reduced form. So, what is the meaning of the simplest form? A fraction is said to be a simplest form or lowest form or reduced form. Do not have a common factor more than 1. Do not have common factor. Okay, do not have a common factor more than 1. ஒன்றை தவிர வேறு எது இருக்கக்கூடாது. அவ்வளவுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடணுமா சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிடணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ டெஃபினிஷன், a fraction is said to be simplest form or reduced form. If its denominator and numerator do not have any common factor or have any common factor other than 1. Okay, so simplest form or lowest form, reduced form means a fraction is said to be a simplest form or reduced form if its denominator or numerator do not have any common factor other than 1. Okay, that is called the simplest form. See one of the example, 192 by 112. Okay, so first you know it cancel in 2 table. You will divide 1 by 1. Okay, so it cancel how many times? 2 3s, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1 12 56. Here 2 table, how many times is possible? 2 9s are 18, remaining 1 6. Okay, now we get the 96 by 50. It's also cancel in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Here 2 4s are 8, remaining 1 2 8s are 16. It's also cancel in 2 table. Okay, so 48 by 28, it's also cancel in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, here 2 2s are, 4s are, again it cancel in 2 table. 2 7s are, 1s are, 2 2s are. So answer is 12 by 7. Can you cancel this 2 in any divided by numbers? No. So it's not possible. So it have only one factor is 1. ஒன்னால மட்டும் தான் இது என்ன ஆகும்? டிவைட் ஆகும். So it's a simplest form. இதுக்கு மேலே எதுவுமே என்ன செய்ய முடியாதுமா, ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. That is called the simplest form. And here the common factor is only 1. Okay. Yeah. What is the common factor here? The factors are 1 into 12. Here the factors is 1 into 7. So which one is a common factor? So 1 is only one common factor, both numerator and denominator. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. And next one, comparison and order of the fractions. Comparison and order of the fractions. So before we see the example related to the equivalent fractions. Okay, write 5 equivalent fractions. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Easiest one. Okay. So 4 by 7 multiplied by, so 1 already multiplied. Okay, next one of that 2. And next to 4 by 7 into 3. Okay, and next one of that 4 by 7 by 4 by 4. And next one 4 by 7 into 5 by 5. And next one 4 by 7 into 6 by 6. So why do you multiply the numerator and denominator values are same? The original number not changed, is it? 2 by 2 we get the 1. Multiple of 4 by 7 into 1 we get the same value. Okay, so we have to multiply 2 by 2. The 5 we have find out the 5 equivalent numbers. So multiply 8 by 7. 4 3s are 12. Here 14, 21, 16, 28, 20 by 35, 24 by 42. Hence 5 equivalent. Hence 5 equivalent fractions of which number? 4 by 7. Or write these numbers. Okay, 8 by 14, comma 12 by 21, comma 16 by 28, comma 20 by 35, comma 24 by 42. Okay, and next one of that example, which of the following pair of fractions are equivalent? So give it 2 fractions. Okay, so which are is equivalent? So what we do? Check the given statement by using the cross multiplication method. The first one 5 by 12 comma 30 by 72, and second one of the problem 6 by 7 comma 14 by 12. 14 by 12. So what we do? Cross multiply. Okay, so 5 by 12 is equal to 30 by 72. Okay, can you cancel these values? Yes, it cancel in 12 6 are 12 6 are 72, 6 5s are, so both having the equal values, is it? So the given numbers, the given fractions, okay, therefore 5 by 12 is a equivalent fraction of 30 by 72. Okay, and next one 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 equal to 14 by 12. Can you cancel these values? Not possible. Here multiply 2 table, it cancel in numerator and denominator. So 7 times 6 times. Here 6 by 7, here 7 by 6. So cross multiply, we get 36 is equal to 49. Both are equal? It's not equal. Therefore 6 by 7 is not equivalent fraction of 14 by 12. Okay, now see the comparison and order of a fraction. Comparison and order of a fraction. So comparison means which one is greatest one. It has 3 types. Okay, it has 3 types. A fraction having with the same numerator. Okay, it has 3 types of comparisons in a fraction. The first one, fraction with same numerator. And second one, fraction with same denominator. And the third type, fraction with different numerator and denominator. Okay, so first one, fraction with the same numerator. Same numerator means, for example, 1 by the first type. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, okay, 5. The numerator values are same. Then what we do? Compare the denominators. Okay, compare the denominators. So denominator values, 2 is less than 3, is it? 2 is less than 1. So number 2 is, the denominator value 2 is less than 3, but in a fraction, the which one is smallest number is considered to the greatest number. Okay, a fraction with the smaller number of the denominator, fraction with the smaller number. Okay, the fraction அதாவது 2வையும் 3வையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது which one is greatest one? 3. Okay, but the fraction ல கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது Which one is smallest denominator? Smallest denominator that we have considered the greatest fraction. We have considered the greatest fraction. So compare these two values. Which one is greatest value? So 1 by 2 is the greatest value. Okay. So 1 by 2 is greatest value is 2. Okay. Then next compare these two value. Which one is greatest value? 3 is less than 5. Compare the fraction. Which one is greatest one? 1 by 3 is a greatest one. So what is the definition of the fraction with the same numerator? The two fractions have the same numerator. The fraction with the fraction same numerator then the fraction with smallest denominator. The smallest denominator is greater. The smallest nominator is greater. Okay, if two fractions, if two fraction with the same numerator, if two fractions with the same numerator, then the fractions with the smallest one is smallest denominator. Smallest denominator we have considered the greatest fraction. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now move to the next one of that concept, fraction with the same denominator. Second one. So fraction with the same denominator means denominator values are equal. So second one, so 1 by 3, okay, 4 by 3, 5 by 3. Okay, for example we have considered. So compare the numerators. Which value is greater value? That is, we have considered the greatest fraction. Okay. So the fraction with the same denominator, then the fraction with the greatest numerator. Greatest numerator is greater. Okay, that is the definition for the fraction with the same. So here which one is greatest one? 1 is less than 4. 4 is less than 5. Which one is greatest one? 5. So which fraction is greatest to 1? 1 by 3 less than 4 by 3 less than 5 by 3. So this one is a greatest to 1. Okay. So what is the definition of the fraction with the same denominator? Then if the two fractions, the fraction, if two the fractions with the same denominator, then the fraction with greatest numerator, is greater. Greatest numerator is greater. Here the smallest denominator is greater. Okay, that's it. And now move to the third one of the type. fraction with the different numerator and denominator. Different numerator and denominator is given, you have to change the first like fractions. Okay, change to the like fractions. Like fractions means the denominators values are equal. Okay. So first take the LCM. Example, 1/3, 2/4. Okay, here the numerator and denominator values are different. Numerator and denominator values are different. So which one is, compare which one is greatest value. So what we do in this place, we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so 1/3. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. Okay, so numerator and denominator, first term, the first fraction multiply numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. What we get? 4/12. The second term, 2/4. Which number multiply the numerator and denominator multiplied by 3? So 2 3s are 6/12. Now compare. Now the denominator values are same. Here using the second rule. What is that? Denominator values are same. Compare the numerator, which one is greatest one, that is considered the greatest fraction, is it? So 4/12 and 6/12. So compare the numerator, which one is greatest? 6. So that is a greatest fraction. Okay, so fraction with the different numerator and denominator, you have to take the LCM. First of all, change to the like fractions. After, compare the numerator values. So which one is the greatest value, that is considered to the greatest fraction. Okay, now see the example 3. Compare 3/4, 5/6, 6/7 and 7/8. 7/8. So here numerator and denominator values are different. In this place we have to find out the LCM. Okay, first we have to find out the LCM. So what is the LCM? 4, 6, 7, 8, 56. And then it's not possible. So 128. As I 128 or 68. 4, 6, 7, 8. 4, again 2 table, 1, 3, 7, 2, and then again 2 table, 1, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 'So LCM is 168. So LCM of 4, 6, 7, 8 is 168. 168. Okay. Now 3/4. Which number multiplied with 4 we get the 168? 12 times, is it? Numerator and denominator multiplied by, so numerator is 36/168, and next one of that 5/6. So how many times is possible? 6 means It cancel in 28. 168, 40, 28, 5, 14. Okay, and next one of that 6 by 7. 7 times. 7, how many times we have multiplied? 24. 168. The numerator value was 24, 12, 144. 144. And final one, 7 by 8 into numerator and denominator multiplied 8 times means 21. 147 by 168. Now all the terms and like terms is it. So what we do? Compare the numerators values. Is it? Compare the numerator value. Which one is? You have to find out. Compare the fraction. Which one is order? Which one is greatest value? Which one is greatest value? So 36 by 168, the smallest one, is it? And next one of the smallest, 140. 140, 168, and next one is 144 by 168, and then 147 by 168. Therefore 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6, less than 6 by 7, less than 7 by 8. That's it. And next one, so this one is greatest value. And next one, example 4, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order. So one of the fraction is given. Example 4, arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means write the fraction from the smallest to largest number. Okay, the number is 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 4, and 8 by 15. 8 by 15. So first we have to take the LCM for these 4 numbers. What is the LCM of 3, 2, 4, 15, 16? Okay, so LCM of 3, 2, 4, 15 is 16. Okay, now write the first term 2 by solution 2 by 3 into which number multiply we get the value of 60, 20. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 20. And second term 40 by 60, here 90 by 60, and third term 5 by 4, 15. 15 5s are 75 by 60, and then last one of the number 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 multiplied by 4. Denominator multiplied by 4, so numerator also multiplied by 4. Okay, so 8 4s are 32 by 16. Now all the denominator values are same, so compare the numerators values. So which we have write in the ascending order. So write in the smallest number. Which one is smallest number? 32 by 60, and next one of the greatest number is 40 by 60, and next one of that 75 by 60, next one of that number 90 by 60. Therefore What is the original value of 32 by 16? 8. 8 by 15 less than 2 by 3 less than 5 by 4 less than 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. This is the ascending order. Thus, the ascending order. Is 8 by 15, 2 by 3 less than 5 by 4 less than 3 by 2. Okay, I hope you are all understood the today concept. So what we learned today? Today we have learned about the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions means two or more fractions represent the same value or part is called the equivalent fraction. And then simplest form or lowest form or reduced form. What is the meaning? So a fraction is called said to be a simplest form or lowest form. Then it have a no common factor other than, do not have common factor. Okay, do not have common factor other than 1. Other than 1 is called the lowest form or the simplest form. And final one, comparison of order, comparison of fraction and ordering of a fraction. So it has 3 types. It has 3 types. One is fraction with the same denominator, and next one is the fraction with the same numerator, and final one is fraction with the different numerator and different denominator. The first type is fraction with the same numerator, means numerator values are same. So compare the denominator values, which value is smaller we have considered to the greatest one. Okay, the fraction considered to the greatest one. And second one of the type is the fraction with the same denominator. Compare the numerator, which one is greatest value, that is considered to the greatest fraction. Okay, and then third one of the different numerator and different denominators are given. You have to find out the LCM after using the second type. So compare the numerator, which one is greatest value, that is considered to the greater fraction. Okay, I hope you are understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.